In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Q&A element to your Power BI desktop and then use that QA to make a different visual. So here I have my sales information, total cost, total sales, and gross margin for both line items on invoices and by customers. So what I'm going to do on my Home tab is click on to Insert and Ask Q&A. And I don't have a lot of room, so I'm just going to stretch that up there and put it in right there. So this is perhaps where I want my element to be. And I'm going to start typing in my question. I'm going to say show gross margin. And as I start typing, you'll notice that it's trying to guess what I want to see. So I'm going to choose gross margin by document date. But what I really want to see perhaps is gross margin by salesperson ID, or by salesperson. So I'm going to start choosing my salesperson, and I'll select that from my list. Now, as I'm looking at this is kind of like, something I have to scroll through. So I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do is take this visual and just simply change it to a line chart. And now I have something that perhaps I could use on my report. And that's how easy adding a Q&A element could be. And it could be something you keep out there on a regular basis, or you could just use it to create a single visual like I did here on this particular report. I hope this helps.